Maggie's grandmother Fatima had taught her secrets of traditional Nigerian foods. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share my living with you guys. So if you find this entertaining, kindly subscribe and join the family. Don't be a stranger. So today I'm making one of Auntie Maggie's recipe. Who is this Auntie Maggie, you may ask? Well, in the street of Lagos State, Nigeria, there lived a young chef named Margaret, aka Auntie Maggie. She has a restaurant called Maggie Foods and More. She was known for her extraordinary culinary skills. But what made her dishes truly special was the love she infused into every ingredient. Maggie's grandmother Fatima had taught her the secrets of traditional Nigerian foods. Fatima's own grandmother had been a renowned chef in a royal palace of Ogi Kingdom. Hope you guys are following. She was famous for her tasty meals. The recipe had been passed down through generations, each adding their own twist and love. One day, a handsome young man named Solomon walked into Auntie Maggie's restaurant. He was a food critic, and his review could make or break a chef's career. Auntie Maggie was nervous but welcomed him warmly with a very big smile. Mind you, Auntie Maggie is a gorgeous woman. She's really beautiful. So, as Solomon tasted her dishes, his eyes widened in amazement. The flavors danced on his palate, and he fell in love. He felt love in every bite. Solomon was blown away, not just with the food, but with Auntie Maggie herself. He returned to the restaurant every other day to eat, and they talk about food, culture, and life in general. Maggie shared stories of her grandmother's recipe, and Solomon shared his own family's tradition. As days turned into weeks, their love blossomed. Solomon wrote a glowing review, and Maggie's restaurant became the talk of the town. The restaurant was on everybody's mouth, and it trended then. But more importantly, Maggie and Solomon's love continued to grow, flavored with the spices of their shared passion for food. After 1 year of dating, they finally tied the knot. Their marriage was blessed with 4 beautiful children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Years later, Maggie and Solomon children and their grandchildren would gather around the kitchen table during Christmas events, listening to stories of how their parents' love was kindled over the sizzling of onions and the aroma of curry. They would laugh and enjoy themselves. Most importantly, bond with each other, cooking together and passing the recipes down to generations. This is the end of my story. Hope you found it interesting. About the recipe that we're preparing, today is actually my first day of trying it out. And yeah, it tasted better. It tasted so good. Just like the way it tasted the first time I ate it at an event. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. If you found this video entertaining or helpful in any way, kindly share, like, and comment. Most importantly, subscribe. It's actually free. It doesn't cost any money. Until I come your way next time, stay fabulous.